What's up, guys? It's Nate here from Murder Mitten Motorsports. I haven't made a video in a while, just due to the weather. It's the middle of winter in northern Michigan right now, and kind of hard to get sports cars out and about on snowy roads. But it's been clear for the last couple days, so I thought I'd pull the Supra out and try to get some footage. I guess I haven't really talked about the Supra on the channel, so we'll use this as kind of an introduction. It's a 2021 Supra I bought in August of 2021. It's got, what, 3,200 miles on it now. And I've done some modifications to it. I'll just kind of go through a list here of stuff that I've done. I have a modified engine intake. I've got the red LED interior lights. Got a carbon fiber spoiler or wing, however you would want to put it. Muffler delete from a local shop here, Holmes Automotive. I did the factory subwoofer port mod to improve the sound of the factory subwoofers. I have some Vors wheels that I had fitted. They're 19 by 11 in the back and 19 by 9.5 in the fronts. Pretty aggressive fitment. For now, I'm just on the stock tires. Got some custom badges, a tow hook. I did the Verus heat shield over the exhaust manifold. And then I've got some stuff sitting around waiting to go on it. I've got some ZL1 rock guards. I've got some Falcon RT 660 tires for the back. I've got a JB4 coming in that we're gonna try to tune it with, and I have the Blitz strut brace that I ordered from Japan that should be here by the end of the month, hopefully. Hopefully I can, next time I'll get some footage in the daylight so you guys can see some of these mods. But and then a list of stuff that I'm looking to get for it. I want to get the Fuelit kit so I can do ethanol blended fuels. I'm gonna get the windows tinted, maybe a downpipe. Leave it mostly stock for now. So let's get some video of some driving POV. We'll do a little drive through town, maybe see if we can get some turbo noises captured, and then I'll do a light pull on the way back through. It's very cold out. As you can see, it's 28 degrees and I'm on the stock tires, so not going to be able to do a huge pull, but we'll have a little bit of fun. That intake sounds good. We're just driving in normal mode right now, not in sport mode or anything. It's a very very comfortable car to drive. Took it on a few short trips last year. Few cruises and stuff in it. It was really surprisingly very comfortable and very nice to ride in for that amount of time. put it in sport mode and slap it over into manual. A lot of people don't talk about it, but you can use the gear shift lever to shift manually too, which I almost prefer that, coming from stick shift cars for the last 10 years. Almost prefer using the gear shift lever to switch gears instead of the paddles, but either one works good. That's all there is to downtown Cadillac, Michigan. Not very much. It's nice though. We have a lot of back roads, not too many cops around. We can play around a little bit and not have to worry about a bunch of traffic or risking anybody getting hurt, really. Sounds good. Should be able to have a little bit of fun on this road without getting in too much trouble. Again, it's pretty cold, so I'm not gonna be you know, hammering it too hard. Switch it over into automatic sport mode. Okay, so traction mode. Once we get around this curve, as long as there's no traffic, we'll slow her down. We'll do like a 20 roll, probably spin. Spun pretty hard, but you get the idea. It's fun. We're back in normal mode. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Once the weather clears up a little bit, I'll have a lot more content. I've got some buddies with some cool cars. I attend a few car meets and car shows. There's a lot of old school muscle cars up here, but you'll see the import every once in a while around these car shows, and probably do some cruises. There's a really nice peninsula run that I like to do a couple times a year. So stay tuned.